Ever stared at your to-do list and thought, "I'll start in 5 minutes"? That's procrastination, and it's more than just poor time management. Let's dive into the real psychological reasons why we delay what matters most. Inside your brain, a daily battle is happening. The limbic system seeks pleasure and comfort. Think Netflix, snacks, social media. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex is the logical planner that wants long-term success. Procrastination happens when the limbic system wins. We often delay tasks not because they're hard, but because they make us uncomfortable. Fear of failure, perfectionism, or boredom can all trigger avoidance. Our brains say, "Let's escape this feeling now. Deal with it later." This creates a procrastination loop. You delay the task, feel stressed, rush at the last minute, feel guilty, repeat. It's not laziness. It's a stress response. Break big tasks into small ones. Use the 5-minute rule, just start for 5 minutes. Reward progress, not perfection. And remember, action beats anxiety. Now that you know the science of procrastination, you've got the power to beat it. Hit like, subscribe, and stay curious.